Even if you're already a planner user, there are probably some ways that you could improve your system and make planning easier for yourself. Planning is the key to success. It's the only way you can make sure that everything gets done, but it can be hard to get started or figure out how to do it right. This video will focus on how to use a planner effectively, as well as what features are important in different kinds of planners, so that you don't waste money on something with too many bells and whistles for your needs. I'll also cover how to set up your planner properly so that it's easy and fun. The new year is a perfect time to create your own calendar and start working on your to-do list. There are many different types of planners to choose from, and the best one for you depends on your personal needs and preferences. Vertical planners typically have a week on a 2-page spread with rows for each day and space in which you can write notes. You may want to check out Happy Planner if you need a new planner. It's a great choice for a beginner planner. Horizontal planners are less common, but some people prefer them because it feels more spacious. Horizontal planners usually have a month on a 1-page spread with days listed horizontally across the top. Erin Condren has a fantastic planner in this format. There are even accessories for you to add things like grocery lists, your work schedule, meal planning, birthdays, and even school assignments. Desk planner pads are not bound like traditional planners and typically come loose leaf or on a ring. Some people like using these for to-do lists and notes. Diaries may come as one big volume, often with the year at the top or as a set of smaller volumes. Here are some tips for using a planner. Start with a plan. Don't feel like you need to stick with an original layout or that you can't change things up as you go. Experiment and find what works best for you. To begin, I take a look at my monthly goals and list any tasks or events that are relevant. Next, I'll review my weekly goals and assign tasks to the days of the week. As I'm working on a task, I'll mark it off in my planner. If something comes up that needs to be added, I'll add the due dates to my planner, either in the current week or move it to a later date. If I've finished a task, I'll mark it as complete and add notes or details in the comments section if there is one. Using a planner like this helps make sure that nothing slips through the cracks and that I'm fully aware of what's coming up next. It also gives me an opportunity to reflect on my progress and provide myself with feedback. For those who love to organize by color, there are many different ways you can do this. Some people like to use colored pens and highlighters, while others prefer planner stickers. If you're a beginner at decorating, do it your own way. Don't get caught up in perfection. Just get started planning and have fun. You can stick to one color or use an assortment of different colors. You might even want to try out a planner that uses pockets for inserts, which means you can easily switch up your style by replacing inserts. When it comes to the empty space in your new planner, you can just have fun with it. Use it for planning. Or you can write inspiring quotes or any idea that pops into your head. Check out the blog post for more details about how to use your new planner, along with some of my favorite types of planners.